are going to love the 2020 Ford Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, passenger airbag on/off switch, passenger airbag, MP3 player, bucket seats, power windows, auxiliary audio input. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.